Okay, this is pure chaos. What's up? Welcome to a pure chaos impromptu sunny sunset landscape. Good God, that motorcycle is loud. I hope you guys can't hear that. I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm trying to find cameras. Okay, so I was just wrapping up dinner. Camera lady and I went out for a walk, like our after dinner walk that we normally do, and started getting really stormy and lightningy and rainbowy and nice and sunsetty. So I figured I would come and try to shoot something in the face with zero plans, as per my usual, I guess. Camera lady didn't want to join me. Now there's weed eaters going on, and there's motorcycles. There's a giant rainbow right there. Oh, it's a saw. Somebody's cutting down a tree. That's nice. All right, I'm gonna switch to 70 to 200. I don't know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing. I got an idea. I'll get a time lapse going first with this guy, my RP and my 35. All right, let's go before that rainbow goes away. Okay, we got that time lapse going, RP, 35 millimeter, aperture priority mode. Just letting it do its thing. I got R5, 70 to 200. Rainbow's gone. Just missed the rainbow getting that time lapse set up. Now I don't really know what I'm gonna do. You know what? I think I'm just gonna go handheld. I'm just gonna take some still shots. There's no more light on the foreground. This is one of those times where you're like super excited to come out, and then you get out and there's like pretty cool conditions, but then I don't know what I'm doing. I don't even know if I'm going to make this into a video. I do know that there's a canyon towhee right there, and it's taunting me because I took my long lens off. But here, look at this. So here's what I'm looking at video-wise, and I'm too tight. Obviously, this is at 70, but I'm going to do a pano. So I'm going to do a vertical pano, start here, and then pan up, because we've got some cool texture above La Capilla. So that's that little building right there. La Capilla is Spanish for the little church. It's a little historical landmark around here that I come to quite often, if you've seen my videos. There's some rain moving straight towards us, and I think it's probably going to get here in a few minutes, so I might have to run away. There was some really good lighting in there, but I haven't seen any, and I highly doubt I'll catch any on the time lapse. But this time lapse should be pretty. It's going to get that rain wall coming into frame from camera right, and we've just lost all the light. That was really fast. Now I'm just going to get a regular still shot. I'm at f4.5, 1/160th of a second, ISO 400. Pretty simple, handheld. Just because you have tripods doesn't mean you need them. Most of the time, unless I'm doing a time lapse or filming long exposure stuff, I almost never use tripods. I just really like the freedom of moving around, and I really don't care what my ISO goes to. You know, everyone has these ideas about landscape photography having to be like the lowest ISO possible and the most dynamic range possible and all of that, and that's never been me. For me, it's about capturing whatever it is I'm seeing, telling whatever story needs to be told, and especially with these newer cameras, you know, I'm very happy with my Canon mirrorless cameras, shooting landscape images at whatever ISO I need to because I'm handheld. Now we are getting some light. There's a really big dog back there. Now we're getting some light, actually. So you can see this is my composition. Check that other little Adobe style church with that mountains in the background lighting up. I kind of like that. Let's see if I can make something of it. I'm going to put it in the lower third. I'm going to zoom out a lot actually so that I can crop in. Oh, I kind of like that. Okay. Oh wow. Do you see that right there? That rainbow is coming back. My other wide angle's in the car. All right. You know what? Let's try to get this shot again, because now we've got, look at that beautiful color. At 70, I'm still too tight to back out. Oh, there was lightning over that. I wonder if that got that. There was lightning over there. I'm really tempted to go grab my 16 millimeter right now. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna go grab my bag real quick. I left my 16 millimeter at home. So, time to get out the phone. I'm gonna get a wider shot with this path in here. I'm gonna put the path on a third. I'm gonna put that on another third. I'm gonna get the clouds. I'm shooting on the wide angle. Look at that. That rainbow came back and now it's fading. It's going up. Well, I think my only saving grace tonight from getting out here too late to not having the right lenses is going to be this time lapse. Oh man. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's so wide. I mean, tight. Okay, I'm gonna do it like that. So here's what I'm looking at now. In the bottom right corner, we've got the university. It's a nice little bell tower there, and then we've got the foreground interest, and then we've got a little bit of color. So let's see if I can make something out of that. All right, I think I'm gonna spin this around, see if I can get some lightning. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a time lapse. I'm gonna do 1 second interval. I'm gonna focus on the foreground. I'm gonna lock it down. I'm gonna zoom in to make sure this back mountain is all the way in focus. Well, I haven't seen any more lightning. I'm certainly not hopeful that I'll actually capture any tonight, because that wasn't the goal. The goal was just sunset. But if I do happen to get some lightning, I'll be very happy about it. Let's check the weather, the radar. Yeah, this is showing some stuff that's pretty far away, the lightning, so it's on the other side of those mountains, and I don't like it. Oh, I missed it, I think. Nope, holy I got it. Wow. Okay, well, you know what? That lightning didn't show up on my radar, so we're just gonna keep shooting. This is why, even when you don't have a plan, you should go out. Even if you don't know what the heck you're doing, this is why you should go out. I just got a really cool sunset, a nice time lapse, and a fairly decent lightning shot. Obviously, definitely not the best I've ever done, but you know, anytime I see lightning or capture lightning, very excited. You know what? There's some more lightning back there. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here. I know this was kind of a short, not really about anything, but I guess if there's some takeaways, it's go out without a plan, and don't forget your lenses. Oh, I think I got that one too. Because the most important thing for me, and hopefully for you, is that the more you go out, the more fun you'll have. It's just absolutely beautiful out here, and I'm just so glad that I'm out here and not sitting on the couch watching TV. Not that I do that very much anyways. All right, you know what? I'm gonna go so I can utilize my 16 to 35 that I'm filming with, so I can get some wider stuff. So if you're still here and you made it through all of that very random, rambly episode, then I super appreciate it. Hit that like button for me, because that's the best thing you can do for the channel. And I will see you in the next one.